the silent light. I am the roaring heat. I am not a candle's flicker. I am the fire of a tornado. I am the strongest wild filler. I am the dragon's breath. My power is vast. My strength is ancient. I am the eternal fire. I am the everlasting flame. I burn from within. I burn all around. I am the power of the soul, a pattern of fire relaced. I am the depth, the cleansing, the force.